Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says anti-venom against snake poison is an example of dash. Option A, active immunity, antigens. Option B, passive immunity, antigen antibody complexes. Option C, passive immunity, antibodies. Option D, active immunity, venom. Now what are they talking about? They're talking about anti-venom against snake poison is an example of. So what kind of an example is administration of anti-venom against snake poison? Okay, so first of all, we have to talk about what do we mean by anti-venom. Okay. Anti-venom, we know that venom is what? Snake poison. Anti-venom is the one, or you can say these are the antibodies which are administered, these are administered or given to the person, administered or given to the person who has got snake bite. Okay, to the person who has got what? Bitten by snake. Bitten by snake. Okay, here what happens? Venom, which goes into the body of the or blood of the person, so that may be poisonous. Okay, that may damage the cells. So immediately when anti-venom is given, these antibodies will go and bind to the venom particles. So there will be antibody and venom particle combination. Okay, venom, of course, it might consist of, this will be considered as an antigen. Okay, it will go and combine with venom. Okay, so what does anti-venom consist of? It consists of the antibodies against the venom. So let us see. And of course, this kind of an immunity which is provided by administering directly the antibody, which is called as a passive immunity. Passive immunity because that person is not producing antibody. We are giving the antibodies or the doctors are prescribing antibodies. So it is called as passive immunity. Okay. So option A says active immunity, antigens, no. Option B says passive immunity, yes. Antigen antibody complex. So here antivenom is not an antigen antibody complex, hence it is ruled out. So option C says passive immunity, yes, and antibodies, yes. So antibodies are given directly, that's why it is passive immunity. So that is the correct answer. Option C says active immunity, no, and venom, no. So antivenom is not venom. Okay. And here active immunity, why it is not active immunity? Because it is not eliciting, we are not waiting for it to elicit immune response and produce antibodies on our own. That is by the immune system. Here from the external source, we are giving antibodies. That is why it is not active. Okay. Hence, let us conclude, which is the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.